Don't get robbed by your developer.
Hey, how you doing? This is Bruce. Listen, if you're like me, you're not a coder, you don't know code, but you want to build an app, a website for your business. Cool. What you want to do is you want to hire a coder or a developer. You want to hire a coder or a developer, but you don't want to be taken advantage of. Unfortunately, I got taken advantage of, but we don't want that for you. So if you want to get a coder, if you want to hire a coder, if you want to hire a good coder, these are some of the key things that you should be looking for. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a contract. You need a contract. You need a good contract because the contract is going to protect you from what this coder knows or doesn't know. The second thing that you're going to need is you're going to need watch a couple of video tutorials. Before you even get on the phone with the coder, you need to ask what his experience is, what type of platform does he use, and what does he specialize in, because every project is different. You have some coders that are good at making media player apps. Other coders are good at making map apps, and other coders are good at making other different types of websites. So you want to know what type of code he uses, what type of platform he uses to build build the app or build the website before you even go any further. That is very, very important. And this is why. If he messes up something or he quits in the middle of the project, you need to find someone to replace him. And if he uses a language that is not very popular, you're going to get screwed. If he's using a language that a lot of people don't know or don't know how to use, that means you're going to have to pay higher fees to hire someone else to replace him to finish the project. Me and myself personally, the way we write our contracts is we don't give a bunch of money up front. We may get maybe 10-20% up front, and then you'll get a larger payment once your project has passed testing. And the reason why we do that is because we do not want to get screwed. There's coders out there that say, "Hey, we need 50% to get started." You give them 50%, and next thing you know, they just take your money and do some design work, and then say, "Oh, you're too difficult to work with. Here, get out of my face," and don't give you your money back. So they're like attorneys. They're like attorneys. You know how you give an attorney $5,000 to represent you, and then next thing you still lose on the parking ticket or on the speeding ticket. Like, you done paid this dude this money. You could have went to court yourself and then lost your own money. That money could have went towards the fine. So not all coders are like that, but I think a majority of them is, at least all the ones I dealt with. So those are some of the things that you want to do when you're trying to hire a developer. Now, me, I am not a developer, but we do write contracts very well. So if you need a contract, go ahead and click the link that's over here below. Get you that contract. Protect yourself, because at the end of the day, that contract is all you're going to have between you and that coder, and you being able to get your money back and recoup any damages. All right. Thanks for listening to me. The first step is, like I said, getting a contract. Go ahead and click that link. Get that contract. Don't get robbed and scammed like I did. All right. We'll talk to you soon.